To start, I want to take out this air box, and the first step is to loosen the clamp. Flathead screwdriver, get this out of the way. Disconnect this. It's supposed to have a lock on the backside that you pry up. This one does not. Get this off of here. On the backside here, there's a 10mm bolt. Let's get that out. Pull up on this. Slide it out of here. There we go. Use a T30. Remove all 3 of these bolts here. For these 2 bottom ones, you'll need something very shallow. I have here a bit driver. You can just use a Torx wrench if that's what you have, which is basically just like an Allen wrench or an Allen key, but with a Torx head. Let's unplug this. The locking tab for the connectors on the back side, and remove it. There it is. I want to clean up the area a little bit, that way the new gasket can seal properly. I'm going to use a rag to cover up the hole, and then with a razor blade, I'm just going to scrape off all this debris here. Grab your new part, make sure the seal or the gasket is properly seated. Point it the right direction, because it can only go in one way. Slide it on here. I'll connect it while I'm at it. Slide it on here. Connect it. Make sure the connector clicks. Line it up with all the bolts. And let's start the bolts in. It's pretty hard to see here. You can either look or work. Let's make sure these are all nice and snug. Don't over tighten them because you don't want to break or strip anything, but make it snug. All right, let's get the air box back in. Let's get the air box back in, line it up with its mounting holes, make sure it clears this AC line. Put it over the mounting location at the back here. Get this 10mm screw back in. Put this AC line back where it belongs and plug in the mass airflow sensor. Make sure it clicks in. Bring the air intake tube back over, line it up, slide it all the way on. All right, that's tight.